Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama. Man, this is a cool little rat rod right here, man. Got the LEDs on it. Some kind of small block for sure. Oh man, look at that custom. You got the rat and fink paintings in there. Got the rat sitting on the dash. I wonder if this thing works. That's crazy. It's nice though. This is real nice. Something different. Man, this is the one I liked a lot right here. This white one. This white fox body. Real like this. Man, what's that? A Torino? I thought this thing was like a Chevelle. This thing bad, boy. This bad. That was like a 67 Chevelle. It's something different. You can tell that they didn't spray it the right way. But man, this car is amazing. All those small imperfections, there won't be nothing to fix. Like gunmetal. Carburetor. It must be some kind of a Torino. I don't know. Y'all tell me what a Torino. Who make a Torino? Is this a Ford? I swear like something that GM would have made. That's interesting. Oh, they got a big block in this boy. Look at those valve covers. I know that's something way bigger than the 350 for sure. Old school. Boy, got some Fords up in this bitch, man. Got the drop. Fox body. Hatch. Not hatch. This would be a notchback. Hey man, what is that, man? That Torino? Who makes that? Is that Ford?
Yeah.
That's 70. Cool. I thought it was a GM. I thought it was a 65 Chevelle.
That's a 70 Torino with a 429 in it.
I was looking at it, I'm like, man, it got to be something big. I want this white Mustang, man.
Yeah, it's clean.
What is he? Is he got nitrous on it and everything? Turbos?
You just have a Pro Charger.
Okay.
But
so we was able to get those inner lights for the Taurus. These are specialty part light bulbs. I didn't check them, but these are discontinued from the factory. So this is a specialty bulb for the 2011 Taurus. These are some funny looking little light bulbs, but we're gonna pop them in. As y'all can see, they look kind of funny. They don't like your normal lights. And then it has a 2-prong clip on it. So I'm gonna put these on. We got my boy over here. Man, tell them about the old cutting up, man. The good days, man. It's been a long time, but me and you been down way before then. Because the Chop Shop West, how it all started. Hey, man, you know, tell my subscribers, though, bro, like, Nigga, at one point in time, how I had more cars. Now you remember how it was? It was like, boy, it was just a bitch to get our dirt bikes out the garage and the 4-wheelers. When I started having money, I didn't know what to do. Niggas buying everything, unnecessary shit. Nigga, I don't even know how many bikes we was running through, cause you was doing your thing then too.
I done had like 15.
So
Just
my
sold
boy,
one today.
man, just sold the CR25, 125. So y'all know he gonna get another bike. Y'all gotta stay tuned. Ain't no telling. He thinking 250. He thinking 250 pressure. He a small guy. You thinking 2-stroke? So y'all already know, man. My boy, he done went out there to Washington State. He getting that money. He out there where it's cold, but he a Texas boy all the way through and through. So I already know as soon as it get warm, we're gonna have a lot more lit content. But tomorrow's my birthday, December 28th. We filming on the 27th. We're gonna see if we can load up both of these 4-wheelers if possible. But I'm finna throw y'all in a time lapse because it's a little cold in here today. I'm gonna throw the heater on. I'm gonna throw these bulbs in. And this is what it is in my shop right now. It's a little over 50 degrees. So yeah, it's too cold for our liking, you know, but it is what it is, man. Y'all just stay tuned. So as y'all can see, we got both of them up there. And I did put the tail lights in those bulbs. It shit still didn't work, but it is what it is. He's making sure we secure them really good.
All right, you do your little test, my guy. Feel it, move it around, do what you do.
Man, you sure that's gonna work?
No, that's what I want you to do your little. I ain't even got it all the way tight as you want it to be. I just put it on. It can go tighter.
I don't know, man.
It's your toys.
Man, take care of my shit. I'm bringing both of them because I want my nigga to ride with me. See? Well, I'm telling you, boy, you can't do nothing for black people. Them niggas be the most unappreciative people, I swear. Hey, my subscribers, y'all don't take that personal, man. But everybody know I love my niggas Zach. Man, that's why I can't be on TikTok. Hey, that's why I can't be on TikTok, man, because the nigga just too unfiltered. Just stick to my little YouTube shit. Let's see what we got, man. I don't know, this one look janky. What y'all think, subscribers? That shit don't look janky to y'all? Why not hook it right here where it makes sense at, right here? Why not hook that right there?
I see it is on this little, it's connected to the...
Man, but if you hook it that way.
Hey, man, look, you saw something I didn't see, goddamn. Oh, it's gonna really get a little loose.
I'm just thinking about what makes sense. Man, YouTube, man, y'all see. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna figure it out though. All right, come on with it.
Ready?
All right. And then you pull that hoe up off the ground. That hoe ain't going nowhere. All right, let's see. Now we gotta figure out this Banshee situation.
Oh, my boy, that bitch ain't going nowhere.
All right.
that bottom hook where you down there, right? Just bring it around the frame and bring it down. You see what I'm talking about?
What's that?
Put one strap around the front of the frame, yeah, right there, and just bring it down, tighten it down,
Mm.
and then I'm not really too much worried about the back because the back is in the truck. But we can put another strap back there to make you feel better about it. You want to grab one of the ratchet straps?
All right, let me see. We do fam, man. We don't know what we doing. We not trained professionals. Don't try this shit at home. That's all I'm saying. Being a little fella that he is, I knew that shit was gonna come in handy one of these days, boy. Look at that last nigga in there doing what he do. Look at him, boy. Y'all know Zach wanna do this shit for a living. He just don't be telling us. If he could ride dirt bikes every day and make a living for it, I be watching Twitch and them and Buttery. Man, them boys, whew. They just bought that new YZ250 that limited edition, that retro.
Axle.
What?
Axle fucked off.
What'd he do?
He fucked up. I think he broke his leg or some shit.
Oh, but it's something he gonna come back from type shit.
Yeah, he come back.
Man, y'all see, I want to go back and get this shit repowder coated again, but it's really kind of pointless. Boy, that like some jigsaw shit. You want to play a game looking ass.
There it go.
Yeah, when you see that suspension, it's letting you know it's working.
Tell me what you think. I can go tighter if you want me to.
I think that one still turn. But we still be good though, even return.
The motherfucker ain't coming out though.
No, it's not coming out though.
You want to go tighter?
Nah, I think it should be straight. I don't know. What you think?
Alright. Tell me what you think.
Yeah, that should be it. Yeah.
Motherfucker ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, it shouldn't. All right, let's move these vehicles around, man. You need some help finishing up their straps? Thought I'd fix this shit for my lady, or for my daughter. My lady's car. We had to get a few situations worked out, but it should be good. And we're finna move these vehicles up out of here. We're gonna back the truck back up in here and get it ready for the for my birthday ride out pretty much tomorrow. Yep. So man, y'all just stay tuned. Man.
Right now, just how he look.
What's that?
Well, yeah, so I've had.
Man, buddy out here with his 400. He say it's beefed up.
Yeah, it's
Man, what you got, man?
got the exhaust. It's got it's rejetted.
Okay.
It's got a different piston in it. Not sure exactly what it is, but it's beast.
You got any social media you want to shout out? Anything that's going on my YouTube channel?
Nah.
Oh, you built this yourself?
Yeah.
What year is this one?
It's 09.
09. 400 EX.
She's a beast, and I wrapped it too.
Mm-hmm.
It was red here, but my legs were taking it out, so just taking it off. So I just took it off. I left the blue, and it changes color and shit. It's pretty cool.
Man, it's looking muddy as fuck out here, Zach.
Oh.
Man, but loading this shit back up gonna be a bitch with that mud on it. Y'all see it, man? We up here at Trophy Club. Oh, man, don't look good. It don't look good at all. But, man, fuck it. We gonna go ahead and unload. We're gonna put in time lapse and we're gonna get it. Are you talking about the, Chris?
Yeah, I T-boned the car at 140.
Oh, man.
This Chris in Texas.
Man, you hear me? Crazy. Motherfuckers just be wildin'.
Well, now there's somebody out here, I can ride a little bit harder. By yourself, you can't, you know?
I'm gonna be putting alone, man. I hate mud.
I don't. Me neither. I got stuck. It was dry everywhere. Right over there is a mud pit. I went through there, made it through there fine. Went back through there again, got stuck.
The thing is, though, the Banshee could get through it. The 350 gonna be struggling, and them tires bald too. So we gonna go ahead and throw the time lapse, man. Y'all just stay tuned.
How the hell y'all get them in there? Lift them?
See what you got, man.
I ain't never rode a band. You know how to start them? Well, we're gonna find out. Turn it off. Got it on run? No. Yeah. It's a neutral B?
I believe so. I'm telling you though, that second gear though, that bitch be poking his chest out though. Getting that hoe up though. Riding the fuck out this thing, though. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I used to ride the shit out this 350 for what it was. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm.
That is like right there.
Mm-hmm.
It's there, but you're at.
Don't want to say to me outside of like drifting and like track setting, like drifting the berms. That's to me when this really is the most fun to ride, when you drifting in and going around berms. Even the jumping it part is fun for me right now, because I'm definitely, to go from this to that. It was a big jump, you know what I mean?
Big jump.
And then now putting the 450 in the mix, because you know how it is, man. You never ride you can't never ride somebody else's shit as hard as you ride yours because you need the seat time. So, you know. But man, it's fun. Yeah, man.
I like it a lot.
And I ain't gonna lie to him, today would have been an ideal day if we would have had 2 Banshees. I ain't gonna lie to me, I think these are good investments. It's so hard to find one that's reasonably priced.
90 horses.
But it's so hard to find a reasonably priced one complete. Because I be seeing the frames for like $1,000 and I'm like, ooh.
Frames, nigga, a seat $1,000.
Because I'm thinking though, like, if I realistically to say how much money you need to put into a motor on a Banshee, I'm gonna say about $4 grand.
Yeah.
3-4 grand. You know what I mean? To do all new everything, casings and everything. Man, those 400 just sound so good with a good exhaust on them. Man, this shit sounds so good, man. Man, he great for making content. This dude, he fucking got some skills, man. Man, you gonna take all my subscribers. They gonna wanna start following you now, man. They like, Blaze, why you wanna be doing all that, man? Hey, can I take it for a spin to see how it feels, man?